First, forget everything they told you about making money on YouTube and watch this video to the very end and discover the secret on how you can start making money as a YouTuber even with as low as 100 subscribers. As a YouTuber, when talking about YouTube monetization or making money from YouTube, people always think of YouTube AdSense or YouTube ads. YouTube AdSense is not the primary way to make money from YouTube. Making money through AdSense requires YouTube placing ads on your video, and you will need 1k subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months with other requirements. Generally, you need quite a large audience to make money on YouTube. That's right, I agree with you. But in this video, I'm going to be reviewing to you how you can make money from YouTube even with as low as 100 subscribers. Then if you are new here and you are an entrepreneur or an aspiring entrepreneur, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome business videos that can change your game and make you rich. Now, however, even with a relatively small audience, you can make a lot of money from YouTube. But first, you have to approach YouTube with the business mindset. Then figure out what you are interested in. Then make a short list of ideas of things you are good at, passionate about, experienced about, and you are skilled at. Then go for proper research about everything you have listed down. From that list, you will niche down your YouTube channel after you have done a proper research on that niche and topic that work best for you. Now, you then start making content on YouTube on that topic you have niched down. Let's say you have chosen a fitness niche. You can make fitness videos, or let's say you are good at cooking, you can start making videos on cooking and recipe. This video you are going to be making is going to be giving people tips, advice and support on this topic. A return is going to be positioning you as an authority in this niche of which you are. You are not just going to be educating them, but you are going to be working on giving them engaging content. This is when you blend education and entertainment together. It is called edutainment. After this, YouTube will start suggesting your videos and promoting it to people who want to learn more about that topic. And the interesting thing about this is that YouTube is a great traffic source and the second largest search engine. You can be showing right in front of people who are interested in your topic. Now, this is when the business side comes in. Then you are going to be offering them some premium paid service. Maybe as a fitness YouTuber, you have an in-depth paid training program. Because you have given them so much value through your videos, people will likely want to know what you are selling and want to buy from you because they know, like, and trust you. The other thing you can do is to recommend other helpful products to them about your niche. This is called affiliate marketing. With this, you don't need 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 accumulated watch hours to start making money from YouTube. Check this video to know the secret to achieving your goals and your dreams faster, and this other one about the best 2 business model you can start today with low capital or with no capital. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.